You are going to love the 2020 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.